syndicate is a group of angel investors coming together to invest collectively in startups. At LetsVenture, the lead investor sets the course for the syndicate, setting the investment structure and goals for the group. With LetsVenture Syndicate, a lead investor can start and manage their syndicate and even invite investors on LetsVenture AIF to participate in startup deals. Let's see how this works. On LetsVenture website, visit the investor page. Now, click on Start a Syndicate, and you'll be led to the LetsVenture Syndicate page. Here you can explore the unique syndicate offerings, the syndicate process flow, and access other details related to our syndicate platform. Now, to start your syndicate, simply click on Get Started and complete the two-step form, and our team will take your request forward. Once your request to start your syndicate gets approved, you will receive an email with your login details. Fill in the details, and you will be directed to a dashboard where you can seamlessly manage your syndicate. On this dashboard, you can add and manage deals, manage backers, and manage your syndicate profile. The first step is to update your syndicate profile. Updating the syndicate profile includes providing any relevant updates about the syndicate for the backers to see. Start by clicking on Syndicate Profile and you'll be directed to a form. Add the details pertaining to your syndicate, such as syndicate name, logo, a one-line description that best describes the syndicate, investment thesis, range of ticket size, and the number of investments you're expecting to make in a year. Once you have filled in these details, lock it in by clicking Submit and your syndicate profile will be ready. Now that your profile is ready, you can also go ahead and add an admin. To do so, click on your profile on the right-hand top corner and click on Syndicate Admin Management. Then go to Add an Admin and put in the full name, email, invitation message to go along. Moving on to the second step, managing backers. These are investors that you're inviting to back your syndicate. Start by clicking Manage Backers on the dashboard. To start inviting backers, click on Invite Backer in the column to the left. Enter the investor details including name, email ID, type of investment entity such as individual, partnership or other, and lastly a personalized invitation message, and click Send Invite. Going back to the same column on the left-hand side is where you can keep a track of the different stages of the backer invitations sent. Under Backers, you can view the investors who have completed their LVAIF onboarding. Invited means investors invited to join your syndicate. Profile created shows that investors filled their profile details and verified their KYC details. CA set means investors filled their profile details, verified their KYC details, and paid the onboarding fee, if applicable. The next step now is to add deal. Under this option, you are required to create a deal by adding the startup details. Go to the dashboard and click on Add Deal. Fill in the startup name and details such as some preliminary questions, elevator pitch, pitch deck, details of the founder, etc. After adding all this information, click Save. You will now proceed to the startup page to add the scheme information. Click on Scheme and fill details such as type of securities issued, pre-money valuation, total round size, price per share, LetsVenture carry, total lead carry, lead investors in their carry split. You also have the option to send automated drawdowns for the startup deal. Click Save and Submit for approval. After this is completed, it will be sent to the LV team for approval and creating a scheme document. Once the approval comes in from the LV team, you're good to publish the deal. In the same startup page, you can review the generated scheme documents. With this, your deal is good to go. Now click on Published and you can choose to share it with all the backers or a custom list of backers. The fourth and last step is to start following the progress of your startup deal. To get started here, Click on My Startups in the navigation bar. Once you're on the specific startup page, you get a Kanban view of the stage your startup deal is at. You can view how many backers have been invited, how many have viewed, committed, consented, and transferred the funds along with the timestamps. You can also remind your backers to perform the respective action by clicking on Remind button right here. You can go back to My Dashboard or My Startups to view active, draft, canceled, and completed deals. Or you can choose to create a new deal as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about LetsVenture Syndicate, please write to us at contact@letsventure.com.